Tired of your digital collages looking flat and boring? Want to add some texture and depth? I've got you covered. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to create a trendy ripped paper collage in Procreate using my super easy brush set, which I've linked in the description. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, and I'll even throw in some quick tips to make your collage pop. So grab your iPad and let's get started. To begin, go and choose a color that you think will be interesting for your collage. Scroll through my brush set. I'm going to choose a background to begin with, an overall texture like this one here. Adjust your stamp size and stamp it on your digital canvas. I'm then going to select it and enlarge it so that it fills my background. You can then go to your curves and adjust that so that you get a higher contrast if you like, depending on what you want the aesthetic to be. And now I'm going to choose several other stamps that I'm going to layer on new layers above my background layer. I'm going to choose some vertical stamps to cross over my horizontal stamps. I'm going to adjust the color slightly so that it is warmer, so that I have a different kind of gray that I'm using. That one looks good. Select it and enlarge it. As I said previously, make sure to put each stamp on a new layer so that you can edit them individually and move them around. For this particular collage artwork, I've decided to go with a monochromatic color scheme using blacks, whites and greys in order to create a grungy effect. And you can continue to layer various stamps on top of one another and get that lovely texture shining through. To add a hint of color, I'm going to select this almost gunmetal blue-gray color for this stamp. And then I'm going to rearrange them, move them around so that I feel that my collage is starting to look more completed. Obviously, this is a very simplified collage and you can add a lot more to it to make it a more developed piece. To finish this piece, I'm going to add some text. Insert text. Once you have your word, you can select it and then go into the text menu. Here you can choose the font, adjust the size, and play around with the other options. Now I'm going to create a new layer that I'm going to drag beneath my text layer. I'm going to select a stamp. I'm going to find a horizontal stamp. You can use a vertical stamp and then rotate it with the selection tool. I'm then going to choose a pale grey color, adjust the size, and I'm going to stamp it beneath my word so that my word stands out. That's it. You've mastered the ripped paper collage technique in Procreate in under 5 minutes. Pretty cool, right? Now go forth and create some amazing art, and don't forget to check out the brush set I used in this video. The link is in the description below. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Procreate tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating!